Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed this wig, give it some bangs, cut the hair a little bit. It's the look that I was rocking on Instagram a couple of days ago, and I decided to film the process, so that's that. So this unit is from a company called Omgherhair. The first thing I wanted to do was cut some length off the bottom because I didn't want it to be too long, so I sort of eyeballed this. Don't judge me, I don't have hair cutting scissors, and since it's a wig, I didn't really think it would matter. I checked to make sure that I got it pretty even, and then I went ahead and raked the front to pull where I wanted my bangs to be. And once I had the hair that I wanted, I went ahead and just snipped straight across. Since the curls are pretty loose, when I cut them, the bangs got stretched out. So I went ahead and curled them, taking my iron and just rolling it across any sort of round figure, and voila. I didn't have a curling iron, but if you have one, you can use it if you're gonna do this. Great thing about this hair is that you can apply heat to it. Once you wet it, it'll go back to the shape you had. I just wanted those big curls in the front, so I made them myself. And then I quickly went ahead and pulled the hair back into a ponytail so that I could go ahead and just quickly do my makeup. Now for the makeup, I kept it pretty simple. I just really quickly went ahead and brushed over my brows and filled in any sparse areas that I had with like a eyebrow pencil. Now I haven't really been wearing foundation lately, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this moisturizer just to add, of course, moisture to my skin, and being that my skin is, as many of you know, really dry. Now of course I do like to conceal under my eyes, so I'm going to go ahead and use my Wet n Wild concealer under that to cover up any under eye bags or anything that I don't want to show up on there. I also apply a little bit on the bridge of my nose to make sure that that's highlighted. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out and then set that in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Because I don't have foundation on my face, I do need to bring some color back to my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this bronzer by the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that and build that up on my cheeks. I also like to run a little bit over the bridge of my nose. And of course, to make sure that my cheeks look a lot more glowy, I'm going to go ahead and apply this highlighter by the Balm Cosmetics as well. This is the Marylouminizer highlighter. And once I'm done with the face, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm just going to go ahead and use a warm transition shade. This is in the color Bodacious. I'm going to go ahead and just brush that over the crease and then sort of drag that down onto my lid. And to make my eyes pop, I'm just going to take a darker brown shadow and run that across the lash line to sort of make my lashes look a little more darker. Honestly, lashes just make you look like you did a whole lot to your face when you really didn't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these Ardell lashes on. Lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on this matte lipstick. All the details and everything that I've used I'm gonna leave in the description box. And on top of the lashes, the lipstick does make it look like you did so much more than you actually did. Now for the wig, I went ahead and applied some bobby pins on the side of my head, and I went ahead and fixed the ponytail a little bit. I went aside with this wig and my bangs moved, but they never exposed me once. You can go ahead and seal the front. I made sure to leave out some baby hairs in the front so that they sort of blends it in with the hairline, but the bangs do a whole lot of covering for you. So that is it. That is the whole look. That is the look that I was sporting on my Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video.